Sa mga hindi maalam maglaba ay maigi yan.
Nagit na nalabhan na rin nito. Kasi ako siya.
But yeah, before, normally when you have your normal bath, you normally have your shorts or dress when you come here. So the reason why we are covered because it's super hot, you know.
Yes!
It's going to burn our skin.
Sayang
God.
ang Koji.
Sayang ang Kojic. Sayang ang Kojic. We need to cover it.
Yes. So very hot ko.
So very hot. We're hot. Hot. Very hot.
Ang bago ng wings.
Oh, we're almost done. Oh, God. Masakit na agad yung likod ko sa pag-upo.
Wow, ngayon ko lang ata naglaba.
Ngayon ako naglaba. I don't know when is the last time I actually wash manually.
Dapat pala talaga nag-vlog tayo lagi.
I don't know when's the last time we do manual wash.
Dapat pala talaga lagi tayo nag-vlog ng
Kaya
paglaba.
nga.
Para ako wow.
Oo, mag-vlog. Next time we're going to do vlog again. Doing
Yeah.
the
Suot naman namin
laundry.
ay
different outfit.
yes.
We'll do a dress or what do you call this? Swimsuit.
Swimsuit.
We'll wear a swimsuit in the river.
Iba na
Oh my God,
alawin.
iba na alawi. The hot iba na alawi.
Iba na alawin.
Iba na. Iba na. Wala, hindi pala ako nakapagdalang down eh.
Ayan. Pag-iaban daw ako.
Banlawan mo ulit doon. Hindi doon ka na magaan. Magadaw. Yeah. We're just washing it here. We'll be doing a part because it's a long movie. Ang ganda lang kasi, you know what, it's better to do washing here because it's super easy. Automatic after that, you just need to wash. Well, when you are doing it in the bucket, once you do it in the bucket, how many times you need to have replacement of water?
Many water.
Yeah, a lot of water you need to use. Ay di, ano mo na lang po. Double mo na lang.
Di ba yung maganda yung shirt na nabili ko sa iyo? Hindi pa nga ba yun ako? Doon sa iyo?
Uy, ang daming bago din.
Saan?
Bagong
Short
dating.
din?
Oo. Daming bago.
Napagluto yan. Dapat
The water is so cold!
Ay, dapat
Refreshing.
next natin maglagay ang suta na duster.
Oh, a duster. We're going to wear a duster. Next time we do washing.
Outfit of grandma.
Grandma's outfit, duster. That's a real province look when you're doing laundry. Duster. Ang bilis lang dito maglaba.
Hindi.
Kaya maganda talaga pag dito. At least the water is what do you call this? Not shallow. Normally it's shallow when it's not high tide. And also I think it's going up. Going up already. Going low tide. Back to you.
Back to
Tatanong siguro yung mga natin sa pag in-upload at bakit English. Sorry guys, we have lots of foreign viewers. We can't speak Tagalog.
Nakatira po kami dati ay sa Europe. Nag-migrate lang kami ng
Migrate?
Pilipinas. Why my speaking is English.
We have lots of English viewers, not English. Foreign viewers. That's why we need to speak English. Sorry guys. Alright, it's time to swim. It's swimming time. Going for a swim. Hey! Malamig malalim.
After washing the clothes, we're going to take a bath.
Take a bath. We don't have... Oh, lamig! It's so cold. It's super cold.
Swimming while the
Carabao is there. It doesn't matter. We're swimming with the carabao. So we're swimming with the carabao. Ooh, lamig! It's so cold.
malamig.
Sarap. Woo! Ah, it's so cold. Oh. I'm drowning with style. Drowning with style. We're swimming with the carabao.
Mananonood sa ating fans. Hello,
Oh, we have a
fans.
lot of fans, everyone. Cow, carabao. Maybe there's some crabs. Crabs and some fish. Or some monkey around there. If there's any monkey.
The cameraman said I'm the
God.
monkey.
Oh my goodness. At least we have viewers. We have lots of viewers. Animals.
Animal.
Animals. We have a lot of animal viewers. Nice and cold.
Sarap na balat nga eh.
Sarap.
Dito ka po makakaranas ng may light ito.
Oof. So far.
Hindi na ba ako makatagal sa ilalim ng ini? Hindi na ako makatagal sa ilalim ng ini.
Ah, yung mga bato-bato ay labahan pala, Erin. Pag hindi ano,
Ay, oo, meron dyan.
malaki oh.
Parang ako nataba, natikit mo sa akin ng jacket na.
Nataba ka naman, di. Okay naman na ano? Maganda yung katawan mo. Guys, if you have requests for outfit for the next video, just let us know. We're going to
Swimsuit.
swimsuit and we're going to wash our clothes again in a swimsuit. Lalo kitang mangingitin.
Anong asuotin natin pag sa pinarista?
Mga ano, kasi pool yun. Tapos
pool
may-
yun?
Oo, may pool. Tapos may
Ano ibig sabihin natin?
yung ano ang tubig mainit.
Naanod na ako.
Bye everyone! Ay! See you next vlog! We're done everyone! We're done our swim and our laundry, so